if you run a website, then one of the most important things that you should be concerned about is the speed. Now, the weight of your website depends on the sizes of the images that you upload onto that website. And this does not mean the general dimensions in terms of pixels. This means the weight of the images that you add in terms of megabytes, or maybe it depends, or kilobytes. Now, if you want to reduce the size of an image, then it means you'll need to compress it. So there are different image compression websites, but the one that is most common and does not have your image maybe overly compressed, or maybe just slightly compressed, is tiny.png. So go to your browser and type tiny.png. Now, when you open this website, it's normally conditions, so you can upload up to 20 images with a maximum of 5 megabytes. So I'm going to try and upload one image here and compress it, then I'll compare it with what was there before. But before we go to that, the reason why it is important to compress these images is that when you download these images, for let's say from a free image websites like Pixabay or Pexels, the images normally come in big sizes, or even if when you take it from your mobile phone like a picture, they're normally heavy and too heavy for your website. And when you link it to your website or add it to your website, it affects the speed or the load speed of that website. So I'm going to upload a video here, so I can either drag and drop or just take this. So I'll pick one image. Sorry, I said video, so I'll pick one image for my downloads. Then I'll try to look at the initial image size. So let's pick something like let's just pick one image here. Let's pick an initially downloaded image, like we take this. So if we look at this image here, let's look at the properties. You see it is 162 kilobytes if I hover over that. So if I want to resize this image, compress it and select it and tap open, when I bring this image here, it will have been reduced by up to 80%. That means you have increased your website speed by up to 80%. I mean the load speed of the page where this image was to be hosted. So you'll download this. You can maybe compress it by uploading your download pack there, and then it will be recompressed, and it reaches a point where it cannot be compressed anymore. One reason why you should not overdo this is that when you upload it here several times to compress, you might lose the maybe the clarity of your image. You'll have it appearing as blurry. So just stick with the first upload, and then you can add it to your website. Now you notice that the size has changed from 166 to 31.5. So if you have like 100 images of this size, it means you'll have more than 16 or 160 megabytes of weight to be loaded by your website visitor. So that's why you need this image compressor.